Imagine flying non-stop for days with no breaks. Over oceans, no less. Meet the American golden plover, a bird so epic it makes long-distance runners look lazy. This tiny feathered adventurer flies over 20,000 miles every year. That's like circling the globe. It's got a superpower. It navigates using the stars and Earth's magnetic fields. Basically, it's a bird and a built-in GPS. Here's the craziest part. They can fly non-stop for 3,000 miles over open water. No snacks, no naps, just pure determination. And these savvy travelers breed in Alaska's Arctic tundra, but vacation in sunny South America. Talk about living the dream. Hit that like button if you're as amazed as I am, and follow for more jaw-dropping animal facts.